Hello people, it's your boy Mike here. Not been around for a while, been very busy doing other things. Today, however, what I'm going to be doing is fitting some dynamic rapid indicators to my vehicle, and I'm going to check out the old stock factory. So let me show you what I mean. At the present, these are my wing mirror indicators. Let me show you. These here. I'm going to be taking that out, exchanging it. Sorry about that, don't want no copyright. And I'm going to be fitting some dynamic ones, which are these here. Let me turn my indicator back off. Which are, sorry about that, which are these here, some dynamic ones. Still got the wrap on. And these are like LEDs, and they move in a dynamic direction, which you'll see in a bit. So we're going to get started. The first thing we've got to do is get the wind cover off. So let me just flip this camera back around and we'll get to it. Get my menu up. Look, brightness, too bright, too dark. Sorry, I'm trying to find the So the first thing we've got to do is get this cover off, and we've got to tilt the mirror down so we can get to the clips at the top, get this cover off, and then take out this standard indicator. So let's get on with that. So the next step, to install the mirrors, you need to unclip the outer case, from the back here. Then you have to remove the repeater. You have to remove the repeater. Now I'm just cleaning these up and putting them away in case I ever want to change back. I doubt if I ever will, but keep them as spares, you never know. Things can go wrong. And also I've got part numbers on them so I can actually reorder spare parts for one. So now that I've got that done, as you can see on the other side, I've already got the first one in. So there you go, got the first one in, and I'm now on the other side. So just to show you how it works, I'll just put my full ways on. As you can see, that's it there. That's what you call a dynamic. You see how it runs along? It's LEDs in there, it's not a bulb, and it just runs along. Yeah, and it'll be the same on the other side when I put that side in. So that replaces the old one. I'll show you the setup when I'm all done. So that's where I'm up to. So one side in, and I'm going to put the other side in. I'm just cleaning these up and then put them back in there. So let's get the other one out. So what I do now, that's the other one. Yeah. So I put the old one back in this bag. There's the other one that from the other side. Put that in the bag with the bulb. There's the bulb there, the yellow bulb. That's the bulb that came out of it. Because, as you can see, you have to take out the bulb because these have spade connectors. They are directional, so you got to make sure you put them in the right way. You line up the red with the brown way of the mirror connector. So once you've got that right, so all you've got to do is just follow the colour codes. If you follow the colour codes, you get it right. Yeah. So you have to take out the bulb because that replaces the bulb. That's a spade connector in there. Okay, so I'm going to put the other one in the other bag. Sorry for the delays, chaps. Just getting the bulb. There's the bulb. You see how the bulb's flat at the end as well? That's what replaces that. So we'll put that in there. So that's both the old ones now removed. And I'll put them back in that box. They can stay there with the tool. Back in that box. So they can stay there with the tool. And I'm going to install the other one. It's a bit hard for me to actually show you the installation, simply because I don't have a tripod and I need both. I actually need 3 hands and I've only got 2, so it's a bit difficult. So I'll show you when it's installed. And now here's the other side in. There you go. Dynamic repeater. So now just put the case covers on and button everything up. Okay. So guys, here's the car complete now. Covers back on. I've sorted out that repeater one. It wasn't sitting in right. Now I've got it right. And there's the other one. So now let's have a look at them in action. First I'll put the 4-way flashes on. So you can see them in action. There's the left. See, works in conjunction with the one down here. There's the right. Again, that down there, that's the 4-way on. So you can see everything. Up there. And there. Now let's just do the indicators. So first, turn ignition on. Indicators, not wipers. First we do the left. Left's on. Left's on, there you go. Front. Back. Rear. Now we'll do the right side. There's the right. I don't want a copyright strike, let me just turn that down. That's the radio. Unfortunately it's one of them Android radio, it comes on. There's the wing mirror. And there's the front. So there we are. Two indicator repeaters, 2 rapid repeaters, dynamic, installed. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the next time, by the way, I'm just waiting for some lens cleaner. Let me just show you something quickly. I'm just waiting for some headlight cleaner. You see all this pitting damage here? That's the age of the glass, well, plastic, and that's the sun, the UV, how it's attacked it, and it's pitting it and making it go sort of a yellowy tingy. I've got some compound coming, and I'm going to clean that up, and then I'm going to also be installing some DRLs. And for those of you that don't know what DRL means, daytime running lights. You know the lights that comes on while you're driving during the day? Daytime running lights, DRLs. I've got some of them to install, but I'm not going to install them until I've cleaned this up, because I don't want to install them and then have to damage it, taking it off. So I'll be taking all this out, stripping it down, getting it all polished up, cleaned up, and then reinstalled. So I'll be putting some DRLs in. Now I'm not sure where I'm putting them in yet, if I'm going to put them inside there or on the outside, but it's running the wires. So anyway, that's in the next one, so see you next time.